This video demonstrates how to use filter options in EdbMails Data Recovery Software. Log in to EdbMails and choose Windows Data Recovery. Select PC Hard Drive Recovery. Choose the drive from which you want to recover items. Now you can filter items into categories such as photos, videos, documents, archive, and other files. Select a category to view important file types and choose the ones you want. If you have any additional extensions, click on the Add button, enter the extension, and click Apply. You can apply filters similarly for videos, documents, archives, and other files. Click on Start Scanning. Based on the selected filters, the items will be listed. Along with file type filters, use extra filters to quickly find the files you need. Enable the Lost Files Only option to display only deleted or lost files while hiding existing files. Use the Date Modified filter to find files based on when they were last used or modified. The File Size filter helps you filter and find files based on their size. Advanced filters help you hide 0 KB files and system files from the scan result. Now, choose the necessary items and restore them to the desired location. That's it. Try EdbMails for free today.